Brother Zubair, and he's asking about that in his local area there's a very common financing method called chits. Group of people, usually a family, agreed to pay a sum of money in installments to a facilitator. So each month, when everyone pays to the facilitator, the money received will be given to a random participant, hence making a loan facility to the poor. But the facilitators receive extra installments from everyone for his service. Is this halal or haram? So basically, this is something that is done in communities. I have 10 of my friends, or 11, me being number 12. So for 12 months of the year, we contribute 1,000 riyals, for example, or euros, each one of us. So the first month, inevitably, one will receive 11,000 because his 1,000 is included, 12. The following month, one of the remaining 11 would receive. Of course, the first one who took khalas will not receive anything till the end of the year, but he will keep on paying 1,000, 1,000, so that it would compensate for the 11,000 that he received in the beginning of the year. So it's like a saving program. You're actually taking what you put in the previous months or the coming months, but nothing extra, nothing less. Now, the thing is that some groups may not have the time to organize this, so they appoint an external person, a facilitator, who would run the show for them. So he would ensure to collect the money, to call people, where's the money, you haven't sent it, today is the second day of the month, and then collects it and gives it to the designated one according to the schedule. However, for his services, they give him something as a reward or a compensation for his efforts. There's nothing wrong in that, and this is halal, inshallah, and Allah knows best.